Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. If you're looking for Christmas recipes, I have a little slideshow here, so let's get it started and we'll go through some of the recipes that I have. If you love fruitcake, you're going to love this super light recipe. Very amazing, super easy to make, and very yummy. And then we have some Grinch pops, which are always fun, and then some really light holiday meringue wreaths. And another favorite that I make at Christmas are my Santa hat cake pops. And then another fun one are stained glass sugar cookies. And then I have a recipe for my shortbread cookies with little cherries in the middle. And then a super easy one and fun to do are my little Christmas trees made out of brownies. And then I have a tutorial using white chocolate showing you how to make a Christmas ornament. And then a really fun tutorial to make chocolate Christmas trees with a very inexpensive IKEA mold. And then a fun tutorial, a nice Christmas tree just using a sugar cone and some icing. And then we've got another tutorial using craft caramels, and we turn those into Christmas wreaths. And then another fun one using giant pretzels. We add some white chocolate and crushed candy canes. And then another tutorial using pretzels, white chocolate, and candy canes. And then another favorite of mine, my shortbread cookie recipe. You're going to love that one. And then another tutorial showing the same kind of thing using pretzels, white chocolate, and crushed candy canes. And then a really fun one using round pretzels, white chocolate, and M&Ms. Super, super fun. And if you love a softer shortbread cookie or butter cookie, you can try out my spritz cookies recipe. That's a fun one as well. And then we have another amazing, very simple shortbread biscuit recipe. This one only uses 3 ingredients. You have to try this one. You will love it. And these are a staple every Christmas. So that's it for the slideshow. I've given you quite a few options here with some of the videos that are on my YouTube channel. I'll put a link to every single one of these recipes down underneath the video in the description box. I'll also put in a brand new playlist that will visually show you each one of these little pictures so that you know exactly which one you're clicking on. So that's it for this really fun one. I enjoyed putting all this together. And if you celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.